Cranny gal. Dana no inna not no with no cranny gal. Cranny gal. Dana no inna not no with no broke gal. Cranny gal. Dana no inna not no with no homeless gal. Cranny gal. What's up, Speak My Mind family? What's up? Dirty, nasty, chance, spit out, curly, TT, Marcia Campbell. What you do? You run come for a piece of the pie? Hungry belly, no live nowhere. Curly TT, we no live nowhere. What you do? You come for a piece of Derrick pie too? Me never know, say everywhere you go now, everybody when you look, come here 99, come here Dana, that the title they kind of get so popular now, because as them put the title, come here 99, come here Dana, yes man, everybody go and run come. So you come for piece of the pie, because you come and you look a 6-minute video. And you look a 6-minute video where you come on, you're not talking nothing with sense. But just because you want a piece of the pie, you just feel like you have to come jump out and jump on Dana, because as them say, it's not the message, it's the messenger. So you run out. When everybody calling Derrick name here, there and everywhere, say him a this, him a that, him a that. And what do you hear all the big fat one from down and see if you work the on TikTok to where she name Rose or where she want to name. I say how much him a mind man down a park and the whole of money of the boy we a sell down a park, him a take him money mine. And me no hear none of the run out come Sauce or Rose see that. But true Rose them not have no name like Dana. So true Dana the messenger. Yes man, wanna run come. And you run come now nasty curly with your 6-minute video come out for the woman and you not talk nothing with sense. Anyway, Speak My Mind people. Wanna know what they do. Like, share and subscribe to this channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Please to hit the thumbs up just as you hit the video. Don't wait till you watch a video and don't watch a video and laugh out all of your showcase and forgot to hit the thumbs up. You understand? Hit it as you hit the video. And please to watch the ads. Continue to support both of my channel. My backup channel is Life is a Mission TV. If you have not yet subscribed to that channel, Positivity, family oriented channel, you get your little cook vlog, indoor, outdoor, you know, your adventure to come, your drama, your little newscast, entertainment, you know, you name it, reasoning, commentary and all over there. You understand? When you go over there, subscribe, watch the video them, watch the ads them, share the video them, share the link and hit the thumbs up also over there. You understand? That the same for the same as over here. Remember, the Young Entrepreneur College Student link of our YouTube channel is in my comment section pin. Life with Gabby and Chevy. Give her a subscription also, please and thanks. And in my community, I have another family member, Tamika Douglas TV. When you look, you see me repost our channel in my community. If you hit the title, when my title, and you see the link come up, it's easy for you. Just hit the link and hit the word subscribe. And remember, you ask her to get it. The cash app is in the comment section pin. $, Life is a Mission TV. Continue to support both of my channels. Watch the ads, hit the thumbs up, share the video, help the channels to grow so I can, you know, reach out to some more needy people. You understand me? Now run no charity. And no boy and no girl can run come beg me nothing. When you no see me I give it. You understand? Because you now go come go and you don't want to bring me down card. This amount you cut cross you if you chat, you know. You understand? And a long way it cut. So nobody feel like me a one nice boy. I am very saucy. And my sauce, and anybody can manage my sauce. Remember me very saucy. So me now run no charity. I go out there, I investigate, I search for the needy, not the greedy. Me now run no charity. Me take me own little money from me YouTube, and whosoever feel it in themselves give me. When them give me, me make up on top of where me get out of my little YouTube money a month in time, and me give back. Not charity me I run. Oh, so no nastiness out there when you know see people I get help and feel like you don't want to come out for people who are help people. And I realize I bring down the people them we need the help, because we were help, we not have to help. You understand? We not have to help, but we don't see the need for help and the kindness in ourselves. Worse when we come through the ranks and struggle like the same set of people them we are help. Sometimes them even worse off than we. Sometimes I don't like we have it like that. Because all like me. I don't like me have it in abundance like that. But what? If me can give back a little, me give it back. Me have a pound of rice and a man do not have none, and me can give him a couple grain, me give him it. Or so me feel like it for go. You understand? Anyway, people, before me get in a little Marcia, the old chow up and spit out Marcia, where the world refuse Marcia. Right now, the world refuse Marcia because the way you're going like you're a big thing, I'm not see it. You know? So they come like the world refuse you. Make a touch upon a little topic upon the Derrick story, since she hit me a talk about what she a chat about. Me hear a lot of them come out, the old nasty vlogger them, as me say. The old blogger them will never, them have this ass a right pan, and all of a sudden you don't hear nothing about them. Them gone back a cloud. The cloud refuse them, and them have nowhere to go. But as 99 come out, because 99 name carry weight, you know. All them a try deny it and refuse it. 99 name carry weight. Yes, man. It is no denial, and you can see it now, you can stop deny it. Our name carry weight. So all of them a look something for right pan like the rainbow. So them jump on her. You know? Yes, man. As she say anything, them run out pan her. 99 looking out for the best interest of this brother. And she make some little proposal to him, and you know, I said, boy, XYZ, you can't go do this, you can't do that, this is what you have to do, way. One of them is, she talk about rubbish truck work. And these little dumb ass bitches, you know, these little dumb ass witches in a phone behave as if the lady a downgrade Derrick when she, you know, put forward rubbish truck work to him. Me tell everybody when know me, say, me no bigger than no work. One what me wouldn't do. And I have a reason why I wouldn't do it. And it's security work. I talk it already. Because I don't feel like in a storm and all them sitting there. Me feel that man place a guard it. When him there in a film house well shelter down and cock up on my family and picnic them their home. I go through a weather storm. When me there your company or your factory I watch it. Someone wouldn't do it. If me I go do security work, I must arm guard security when me depend response team. So if my family call me and say, Lord, where me can run go. That's the only work I want to do. But if a man call me for wash a car, if I $1,000 for wash car or the car wash, and him call me for wash a car and feel like he want me for wash him car, and me say to him, say give me 15 or 2,000, which is more than what the car wash should have charge, and him willing to pay it, me a wash the car. Me no big and wash the car. Me a wash it. People, rubbish truck work is not like back in the days when me young and not grow. When you're young and not grow back in the days in the 80s and 90s, you not see young people on rubbish truck. I be elderly people and old people. When I say old, you know, still have them strength and a career and middle age going up in a age. You see on rubbish truck. People, you see nowadays, look on rubbish truck. I be a young boy. Back in the days, not even woman in a see on rubbish truck. Now I be a hot girl on rubbish truck. I work bleach out and well, you know, back down in them gloves and them ray. You see on rubbish truck. You know rubbish truck money sweet. What kind of qualification Derrick have to go do any other work? Wanna come and talk to me? What kind of qualification him have to go do any other work? You know, so rubbish truck work sweeter than in a Miss Chin shop work. You know, so rubbish truck work with a sweeter than in a one nice factory I work with owner that call nice. Because it's only nice to the owners. You know, so rubbish truck would have nicer than owner the bank I work. Well, Whitlaw kill them finger in the office of work and a go on and one month of pen and computer. Them finger head burn them for a punch and a move mouse and all kind of sitting. Did you know that? You know, say all of these people want to sit on rubbish truck and draw down them 40 or them 50,000 a fortnight. Plus overtime. I wonder if you don't know that. Why you think so much young people they on rubbish truck now? At them money they don't draw down 40 or 50,000. God bless when them draw down 30 or when probably, you know, them not rasta for work or them not turn up at work. And the next main reason why you see so much young people on it, the work coming like it's like a politics work now. So basically it's one of the avenue where the politician them use to get most of the young people who want jobs off the street, whether them have education or them not have no education, but them just cannot get any job. You have man pan rubbish truck right now, me know of all 5-6 subject. So I not done him dunce. But what? In the next part of the world, there is no job for him. So this is a job, and this is a paid job. When I say 40, 50, 1,000 a fortnight, what kind of qualification Derrick have? Say, him can't work that. Eh? So when you not come and criticize and I go and like say downgrade the woman, and downgrade Derrick. The woman not downgrade Derrick. You know what man that like one of them the rubbish truck up there right now? If you know say a fortnight he might pick up on 40, 50,000. The whole only way I criticize the work, someone who will qualify for clean shh. You understand? Someone who will qualify for going on a madness tranquility go wipe up the fridge water when it run. With the whole carcass water we run out of it. But you not come and criticize. Got so much on the yard full of more rubbish than where the rubbish truck carry. But you not going like you not downgrade rubbish truck work. And I make it be a big thing just because I done a Marie go say it. Anyway, we're going to jump in and Dr. Marcia, she know.
I make a video because I see Derrick go on with himself on social media. Listen to me. You're too fucking fast. And so when I come on social media, I want to tell people what you name, what you do, and what you do. First of all, I don't know how you come and trouble the man. And I talk about the man for name this and name t-shirt, money and name whatever money me and Derrick are saying. First of all, Derrick is not your son. You know Derrick, mama?
So if Derrick is not our son, why Derrick continue to go at 3 or 4 times in less than 3 months Derrick reach at the woman yard? Him did consider say him is not our son or our picnic or whatsoever. Him never consider that. And the 3 or 4 times him go there, him not left empty handed. What you have sent for Derrick? You're concerned about Silone last year and how the woman not go look for Silone and this and that and that. And up to today, you don't send a $50 come get Silone the whole Christmas and New Year. But you're concerned about her. And you're concerned about Silone. You just want something to talk about because it come on to 99. You have to talk about 99. You understand? So Derrick never consider that say she and her mama.
Where you come from, I go on like say you are at the head of government of Jamaica. Or Derrick live in a communist country that that him under restriction with the name and with the do. Not because somebody come here to seek a little help or even you support somebody in some sort of way. These other people on social media are go on like say responsible for people's lives. Me not understand. I saw no come on my page too. Oh, she name too much, her belly too big. Then me ask the question. When Derrick get in the money, did Derrick go use it and buy a car? Did Derrick go use it and buy a house and build a house? So how is it that Derrick, you supposed to be a fan of Derrick? And you...
When you realize when me say she not talk not no substance, it's just that she want a piece of the pie. With the whole Derrick and Dana argument, she just want to be relevant. She just want to be seen. She just want to know so she play a part in the whole storyline of Derrick and Dana. Dana versus Derrick. Derrick versus Dana versus Derrick. She just want to say she did play a part in it. Because where this coming now? All this coming now. Did Derrick take the money go buy food? Did Derrick take the... What? Dana house and car still a ride your brain and ride your head? I know Dana make you in a hotel live for how much what? 3 months now? I know that I make you have one island that we want dash and park when not even a funeral home I go buy it. Me don't know how house and car coming at this. Derrick never tell us him want house and car. If Derrick didn't want house and car, as me say, he would have built one pallet house long time. If I didn't want walk my land, he would have built up one nice pallet house where he can sleep for the time being. You know what man sleep on sidewalk? How much of them people the homeless are sleep downtown? Where Joe have fallen and wake them up day in, day out. So if him the interested for have them if I rest him head. If I ever want to walk my land, him build up one pallet board house and go and lock up in night and sleep.
Come on social media, want to insult the man and swear the man I go through, knowing the fact that him sexual ways and all kind of different things, you know say him get a fight. And you don't want to come down with your people and like you want.
Yeah, I'll ask which part the woman know Derrick from. This side of me try to show you, you just come because of Dana and you want to have something to say. You have to put your input. But at the same time, your input now, you know, it not show no weight. Because it's like you don't know where you are chat. You just want to say something. 6 minutes, what a video now, people? You don't know if Marcia do a video for 6 minutes. But just because you have to have a say in the story, because a hot story. Hot. So she have to be a part of it. Because so she stay. You have to ask which part I know Derrick from. You know, hear the story. That's me, you know, follow where I go on. You know, hear how long I know Derrick. Before him have social media fame. Before she have social media fame. And that is more than 5 years now she have social media fame. And it goes back and back from she there ATL or work. So what you're saying? You're asking who she if you come up Ray. We never ask Derrick who's him for God the woman you had every minute, every day. After him I get so much help. Not just locally but worldwide from people. The great Nicki Minaj. You know what people that glad for Nicki Minaj calling Derrick with the bam, with the bass, with the rough, Derrick. You know what people that glad for hear Nicki Minaj call him name. And that's how far him get assistant. You understand? So if him did want to achieve anything, would have achieved it. So when you come out and try to say, you want Derrick to be oatless like you and continue to be oatless just like how you oatless and live nowhere. And that you want. You don't want nobody to come out and encourage Derrick. Because if they encourage him, I tell them and not dictate to him because I'm living in a communist country.
Tell people how to live. What make you not give him a room for your house? What make you not build him? What make when he come to you for help, you never have him get him one little house built somewhere? So when you come on social media, I tear down the man for and I embarrass the man for. The body not tell after me, come on. I mean,
what is embarrassing?
The man say buy one food for you $700. Then $700 are money for buy food. So we don't want him to work.
At the time, 99 never know how much of the food. It's the type of food where my brother say have. You understand? And she never made it in the way where she put it and how it come across.
Where you want him to work and do? Me in a garbage pan? Like how someone come on my page every day. Oh, look how her belly big. And she damn too much and she this and she that. Shut the fuck up. Shut up. You finna talk about nobody for your name now what them I use the money and do. Because you need to take your damn money and go to lipo. You need to take your money and get a trainer. And you need to take your money and go back to school.
Then I go sponsor your lipo. So if you're ready for the lipo, you know, if you're ready for the lipo, come. We're going to pay for your lipo too. Because you can't tell people about lipo. You're not supposed to tell nobody about lipo. Because your lipo where you want to make you all out of shape. You understand? You're out of shape. So not tell nobody about lipo. I tell you about you. When you go talk about go back to school, you have so much smartness and education. And every day you play a fool of yourself. Just your life are living right now. Show you say you're never smart. Your life are living right now with the opportunity where you get in America. The chances where you have can take advantage of in America. Look upon the life where you live now. A life where you claim to say are your best life. If that is your best life, me no want to see your worst life. And if that is your best life, me who no want that be my best life. After all the other opportunities and advantage that I could have taken to live a better life. So I don't know what you talk about education and where education I go. All you would need a street smart and you're only in a hotel 3 months now.
Forget some common sense. It's just simple as that. Derrick, big up yourself. And don't feel bad about life. Life of a way of being ups and down. The most encouragement I can tell you is take the opportunity that you're taking on Facebook. Get yourself a little man.
You do me a critical empty pain pan content to give people advice.
See if you can get one little piece of land by and build up even one little piece of board house.
You don't hear this a empty pain pan here. Them I come like in the days when time I learn to play drum. And me get the old paint pan and old wash pan them and we knock them away the harness and the nice just and make you know? In the days when you are knock empty paint pan, I saw you sound like no one come and give people advice. Every day you can't give people advice and none for yourself. Look, only listen to the advice so she give Derrick where she never take for herself.
That's the only encouragement me can give you. But you know, so Jamaica is very prejudiced when it comes towards gay, and not much as being.
You not see the need for own a house or build a house or buy a house, but you are encourage Derrick to do that. What a
Lesbian,
good
them not interfere with
tutoring.
woman, but me realize they interfere with man. So me don't know what you can do in this time, yeah, to really be safe. So you have to make sure that anywhere you go, you're accepted in a certain type of way. But that...
You know, you a citizen. You know, can file for you, man, since you want help. Because people who are help who no fight against them, people who try to do what them can do no fight against them. Yes, are you a citizen? You're not married. Do something for him, no? File for him, no? Or help the US Council give him asylum. You know, citizen, man, stand the responsibility of caring for him. That's all you have to do. As you see my people, I change location because I have somebody to bring something come give me. And I don't want they at the location and them out there I don't know. So I bring him to deliver something for me. So I wait upon him. So make we continue. Let's continue.
That will teach you a lesson. Stop running to man and woman for ask for things. You must run to Jesus. Because Jesus now insult you. And this...
So how you still run to people and beg them on social media? When did I run to Arthur winter and summer? When did I run to the girl down at Aruba and all over? When did I run to the pastor? Whatever people you run to. And you still run to people. So what kind of advice you give this man? You're in a worse position than you. You're in a far better position. You hold a book will make you a citizen of America. This man don't even probably have a passport. Probably can't even find him birth paper. And you are giving this advice where you need and not taking.
This is the thing about these people nowadays. They're running to this woman like this woman can ride lightning and thunder. And then she come on social media trying to say if you insult people and telling people what to do with their money and what not to do. And I mean, Derrick having won a life. She ever won a life. And I like that she and Derrick is family members or some sort of something. She and Derrick are nothing. She's supposed to be a fan of Derrick and Derrick's supposed to be a fan of her.
So why you don't tell Derrick that to stop God woman yard? You should have tell Derrick that. Contact Derrick and tell him that.
Just like the people I'm supposed to be like me and they don't like me. But nowadays people want to come up and tell you what to do. Me see one girl come on page a while ago, oh, why big belly people are loving yam so. So me ask a question, your mama belly no big? Fear belly no big? Eh? Why ugly people love to fast up your business so? Cause you not look good, you're not ready.
Ugly people. Ugly what? Check yourself before you wreck yourself. Looking at the mirror in your bathroom. Looking at the mirror in the hotel bathroom and look at yourself. You don't love come out here, come discriminate and style people.
You look for your picture, you're not ready. What you want to come do? You come name your front? We don't want your tough old crusty front for name. You have to go feed that to your drunk girl. Yeah, so I don't know how you come around up here and come and talk about why big good people love your name so. Eh? Why you not easy? This is the thing, you know, when you come on people page, when you don't know how to act, when you feel like you can't talk to people anyhow, when you feel like because you have a little followers on social media, you see the African them be so? You see the white people them disrespect people?
You don't take no time to see the African them. The African them are the worst set of people against them one another. I true you not take no time to see. Do your research and come back, come talk. Yeah?
Have you seen the Chinese them or any other ethnic background on social media disrespecting each other like that? The only people them with them on social media who go and like say social media belongs to them is the Jamaican. Nobody else. Just a run with the flow. Them a try to get where they can get. You see what happened there? You see how Facebook shut down for a few hours and one other one, and you see how the people them a panic because them addicted to it. That was just a test run. Me want them shut it down for all a week and see what they're going to do. Because someone need to detox on yourself out of people's business and detox on yourself out of people.
So how will you insert yourself in now? Your business? No people business you insert yourself in. This no concern you not one bit. And you insert yourself. You don't even know if you come online come talk say. But you just have to take a piece of the pie. Because you realize you have a hot story out there because it involved 99 and Derrick. So you just want a piece of the pie. Because I know you're not talking nothing constructive towards the situation. Nothing at all constructive. Not even the defend where you defend Derrick. Nothing where you say no constructive. Because basically it seems like you don't even know how the story go.
Lives. Because I'm telling you all the time, what you see on Facebook is not what people live in real life. Me sure know say me can't look on Derrick and tell us Derrick ain't no damn fool. Derrick ain't no fool. Derrick is not no damn fool. So me don't know how she come down for this the man. Why me I tell you, use one fucking troublemaker. But me just not even look for you.
What do you call this? What you call this? Father God, you see me tell you, she know nothing at all about Wagwan. She just want a slice of the pie because she realizes a story where just a swing so. That a name involved and it just a swing so. And to add seasoning to the meat, a Derrick, where you know say Derrick famous out the door there. So she just jump in and want a taste of the meat. You better mind it poison you. No trouble with no trouble you. Mind it poison you. Speak with my family. You don't know what to do. Do the do. Like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Bless upon yourself. Happy Sunday. Stay tuned. You might get a next video for the day. Just look out. Anything can happen. I'm out.